What is up, y'all? Within today's video, we're going to be talking about Glamlite. I think that this is so crazy because, y'all, I feel like Glamlite has really done a really good job of maintaining a really good brand image. I feel like they're really popular because obviously they do so many licensed collabs. A lot of people like their products. They really do have a good formula for a very affordable price. You guys know that I often do mention them within like an anti-haul or a new makeup drops or they bops or flops, specifically around like themed collections, because y'all, they literally have come out with like a Hostess collection, a Kellogg's collection, like Tony the Tiger stuff. They come out with so many different cool Halloween collaborations, and they're all licensed and they're all very affordable pricing, which I think is a really cool thing, considering you would think that a license collaboration is going to cost you more because obviously you have to pay for the licensing, you have to pay for the custom packaging, you have to obviously pay for all the imprints of everything. And I think that, like, you know, collaboration stuff like that would be more expensive. However, they do a really good job at staying very affordable. They have been doing really good up until now. Like, y'all, I have to say, they're getting called out on TikTok right now, and I have to say the way that they're handling this situation is grimy as hell. I feel like they have had a really good rapport within the, you know, beauty community. I haven't really seen too many issues of theirs getting called out, but now that they're getting called out for an issue, they're handling this completely wrong. You guys are going to see within today's video, I'm going to play TikToks from a creator on TikTok who ordered some products and they basically came empty. And she was like, what's going on with this? Like, what's the issue with this? I need a refund. And y'all, they started like deleting her comments. Also, they turned off the comment section to their TikToks. I literally went over to their TikTok to see if it was in fact true. Yes, it was true. They turned off their comments, and then they like took down like reviews from TikTok Shop, which I think is so bizarre and so crazy. Obviously, there's some type of like manufacturing issue with these products that they sent out to some people. And I totally understand that, hey, sometimes, you know, you order products through a lab and say, for example, what if their fill machine was off, like the product didn't get put inside the package. Like, I totally understand things like this happen. But at the end of the day, it's up to the brand to obviously make it right. And the way that they're going about things right now is really shady, in my opinion, which I'm wondering if there's more people out there that had ordered the same holiday collection and are getting like 10% of their product. I think it's so crazy because y'all will see, I can't wait to show you guys the TikToks about this, because you guys will see the girl does a really good job of like showing inside the product. Like, it's like I want to say a lip gloss or like a liquid lipstick, and you guys can see in there that there's like no product in there. And I'm like, y'all, look, I totally understand at the end of the day, things like this do happen. I feel like there is some issues obviously at the lab, but at the end of the day, it's really up to the brand to obviously be like, hey, it's totally like our fault. Like, let's get this situated. Let's send you out a new one. Let's get you a refund. Not block and delete. Like, I think that is so damn shady. Anyways, let me not ramble on too much. Anyways, let me shut up. Let's go ahead and get into it. I want to go ahead and start this off by playing the very first TikTok that I saw about this situation. You guys can like slow down the TikTok to see where she shows that there's like no product within this lip product. I want to say it's like a lip gloss. It looks like a lip gloss or maybe like a lip oil to me. And I'm like, whoa, where's the product? But this is what it says right here. Glamlite lip kits, and they have barely any product inside. So go ahead and check it out.
Okay, I'm opening my Glamlite kits and I am kind of really upset. Look at this. There's nothing in here. Here's another one. There's literally only product on the sides. This tube, completely empty. This one has a tiny bit more, but again, it's empty. Like, this is ridiculous. What are we paying for an empty tube? Like, I love Glamlite, but what the hell? What the hell, Glamlite? I ordered 3 sets of each of these, and that's crazy. There's like no product in any of these. I haven't even tried them, but I'm severely disappointed in why are we paying for that price for absolutely nothing inside the glass containers.
As you guys can see from right there was like no product within that lip product, and I think that that's like clearly some type of manufacturing issue. You know what I mean? Like, I understand that sometimes these issues are not the brand's fault because the brand themselves, like the brand owner, is not there filling the lip products themselves. You know what I mean? They obviously rely on the lab to do that and packaging. So clearly there's some type of issue here. But this creator, her name's Mia, by the way, she left this underneath that TikTok. She said, I left a review on Glamlite and they deleted it. I just posted another. And I think that this is so crazy that a lot of people were commenting and stating that they turned off their comment section. I went over to their TikTok. They did, in fact, turn off their comment section, which to me, I have to say, I really do feel like that's like kind of like a, admission of guilt right there. Like if you're gonna go and turn off your comment section, clearly you have something to hide. You don't want people to put out there. You don't want people to click on that TikTok and be like, oh my gosh, this is going wrong or that's going wrong. Do you get what I'm saying? So I feel like at the end of the day, if you really didn't have anything to hide, you wouldn't have turned off your comments. Also, I have to say, if I was like a brand owner and that happened to me, I'd be like, OMG, we're going to take a look into this. We'll get you a refund ASAP. Do you know what I mean? But obviously you can contact the lip, lab to where you purchase your products, the manufacturer, wherever it is, and obviously get to the bottom of this while giving your customer a refund. But you guys can see from right here in the screenshot, it literally says this creator limited comment access. I think that this is so crazy. Also, I have to say too, I think that these holiday haul dessert lip kits are new. So obviously all this product can't be empty from her. Because honestly, I was thinking at first and I was like, well, maybe like she emptied the product. I'm not calling her out. I'm not saying that she's shady or anything like that. But obviously we do know that there are people out there who, will empty a product and be like, oh my gosh, it came empty. I don't think that's the case with her. This is literally a new product. Like it's not something that came out last year. You know what I mean? Anyway, she did make some follow-up TikToks about this. So I'm going to go ahead and lump them all within one. So go ahead and check it out.
So as you guys know, I posted a video before this about the products I received from Glamlite and them not being filled, like pretty much empty tubes for the new dessert kits. And I did love Glamlite before this, but I'm honestly really pissed now because I left a review about it. They deleted my review so nobody can see it. And then they told me to send the products back for a refund so they can inspect the products themselves, even though I have a video proof of it. And yeah, they deleted the review so nobody can see it. So I posted another one. Shame on you guys, Glamlite. Shame on you guys. So guys, because I received empty products from Glamlite and I messaged them about it, and I left a review, they have blocked me. They deleted my review and they blocked anybody in my comment section who called them out as well. So, shame on you guys. And the fact that I posted a video and I sent video proof of the empty products and they want me to send it so they can see for themselves. And then they went ahead and took my review off and blocked me. And anybody else who called them out, quite frankly, is shady AF. I loved Glamlite, but I will absolutely never be purchasing from them again. And I will be recommending that nobody else purchase from them again. Because if you have an issue, they're going to block you. And they're not going to give you good customer service. It is absolute bullshit what they're doing. By the way, I left another review because I ordered multiple of the same kits and I screenshot it this time. So when they delete that review as well, I'll be posting it for you guys to show you as proof because that is bullshit. Here's the 6-piece lip kit that they deleted my comment on. Here's the next 2 comments I left from both of my other accounts because I ordered 3 of the 6-piece lip kits. They sent me lippies that had basically nothing inside. They were like empty tubes, and so I left reviews. They deleted it, and then they decided to take the post completely down so nobody could comment or review at all, or nobody could see mine. And then here's somebody that commented on their one of their videos, and they deleted her comment, and they are blocking everybody who is calling them out, including me, and they are deleting my reviews, and they deleted the product. So here's some screenshots for you guys since they want to do this.
As y'all saw from right there, Glamlite straight up blocked her because she was speaking out about the situation. They did end up refunding her, but obviously she had to go through all of this just to get her refund. Also, I feel like they are handling this situation so shady. Like, I feel like at the end of the day, they could have publicly commented back to her and said, OMG, we're so sorry for the inconvenience. Let's take a look into this. We can give you a refund or we can send you another one out. Hopefully we can get this, issue resolved, rather than blocking her, deleting her, and also deleting reviews. I feel like deleting reviews is extremely shady. I have heard about people doing this before on like a Yelp and other platforms, to where, say for example, somebody left a very valid complaint about a restaurant or a place, and they took down that review, which I think is so messed up. I think honestly, brands shouldn't be able to have the access to delete these types of reviews. I feel like whatever hosting app is having these reviews, they should be in charge of it. Because say for example, if somebody does have a credible valid complaint, that shouldn't be able to be taken down by the owner, because obviously they can like make all the reviews just look positive, which is obviously manipulating the audience, within my personal opinion. I have to say, I feel like I'm low-key disappointed in Glamlite for this, the way that they're handling the situation, because I feel like they have done a really, really good job at making really nice, affordable products, and now they're doing something so completely shady, which is like, girl, you ain't got to do all that. All you had to do was give a refund, and this could have been settled. But make sure you guys let me know down below if you guys have heard from other people who have ordered these lip kits and are having the same situation. Because I'm honestly starting to think at this point now that they know that there might be some type of manufacturing error about this, and they're trying to hide it so that way people, either A, continue purchasing the product, or B, they don't come forward and complain about it as well too. Do you get what I'm saying? Because I feel like obviously at the end of the day, if they have like hundreds or if not thousands of people come forward and say, hey, mine is messed up too, then they're going to be taking a huge loss. And I feel like they're trying to like sweep that under the rug, which is really, really messed up, because at the end of the day, they need to like, consult with their manufacturer, with their lip lab, and like be like, hey, what's going on here? And they need to get to the bottom of the issue and not put it on the customer. I think them blocking her and deleting comments and deleting reviews is messed up. But make sure you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about everything. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scout.